Isang pinagpalang araw po sa inyong lahat, bayang karerista, kwentuhan, balitang karera with Bossing Arriba King. At pagkwentuhan po natin to bayang karerista, itong magaganap na race number 6 para sa araw ng Friday sa MMTCI na magkalalaban-laban nga po ito si Calculus Storm Landing, Johnny Danny, This Old Heart of Mine at Big Battle na halos hindi po naglalayo-layo ng dati nga sa kanilang mga preba at puro magagaling po ngayon bayang karerista itong mga kabayo na to, itong mga batang kabayo na to. Let's go bayang karerista, tingnan po natin ang kanilang mga latest run at ang kanilang mga preba.
Oh, Arsa Sauria Pet Hit PUC. Best of the game, moving up now on the outside. Johnny Danny together with King Alexander. Johnny Danny, King Alexander, Pet Hit PUC. Alistar in port position and Sonic Lay. King Alexander, Johnny Danny is running wide the Pet Hit PUC. Alistar, Sonic Lay in fifth. Then followed by Sabaw when he comes next. Victorious Baby Linda. Johnny Danny, the leader by a neck. On the outside is King Alexander. Star in third position, Petit Busy in fourth, and in fifth comes Sonic Lay, then followed by Sabawani on the outside, Judith and Victorious Baby Linda. But Johnny Danny still the leader by Hapalang King Alexander and Star. Here comes Sonic Lay in fourth position. Johnny Danny still in front by about 2 lengths. King Alexander moving up, Star on the outside, Sonic Lay. And still Johnny Danny by about 2 lengths. King Alexander moving up now on the outside. Star is Abawani. A long shot now moving up down on the inside. It's still Johnny Danny Star. One in between horses. And it's still Johnny Danny by about 6 lengths. And finally Johnny Danny second. Close, Sabawani Alistar, Sonic Lay. And
At yan nga po yung huling takbo ni Johnny Danny last December 7 dito din sa MMTC ay banderan tapos, walang palo, 1.25, Sabawani, Elistar ang tinalo at sila Sonic Lay bayang karerista. Johnny Danny.
There. And racing now, bottom after 7, here comes Storm Landing. Also showing speed now is Charles the Castle. And as they go along now is Storm Landing with 2 lengths leader, followed by Charles the Castle. Bottom after 7, then followed by River Rose, Fields and more now for the outside. Then followed by Big Battle, Mang Nano is next in line. Then followed by 5, and that's Voodoo Force, but it's still Storm Landing in front by some 5 lengths now, followed by Charles the Castle, River Rose, Batang after 7. Here comes Fields some more now by the outside. While is the win, Big Battle, Mang Nano, and Voodoo Force got to be hurry now. And as they round apart turn, Storm Landing with 2 lengths leader, followed by Charles the Castle, River Rose. Here comes Fields some more now by the outside. While is the winner. And final turn now, it is still Storm Landing holding on with half length leader, Charles the Castle, River Rose sneaking by the wheel third down to the finish now. Is now Charles the Castle, and moving up River Rose and the rail in between horses, Storm Landing, but it's still River Rose, Charles the Castle, and finally Charles the Castle, River Rose, Storm Landing, Border Force, Fields more. And
At yan nga po yung huling takbo ni Storm Landing last November 23 kung saan nagtala ng 1.24 at dikit-dikit lang po silang nagkatalo nila Charles the Castle, River Rose at pangatlo nga po si Storm Landing. At nakita nyo, bandera yan, bayang karerista, pero maraming magaling dito. Dito si Border Force, tinalo niya yan. Ayan, Field Armor, Wild is the Wind. At nandito din pala si Big Battle na makakalaban niya ngayon. Storm Landing.
Underway now, all in front is second by Sabawani from the outside, moving up now in the middle is War Chipa. Down from the inside now is Ziamond Hard. Sabawani leads the pack by half a length, followed by War Chipa. Then down in third is entry number 1, and that's Diamond Heart. Around the outside now is this Old Heart of Mine, then followed by Club Havana. Around the outside, Wing Heart, 5 lengths away, Doña Leoncia. Shanghai Silk next in line, then followed by Magandang Dilag, while Queen Ella is running in the tail of the field. And as they race the last 8-mile pole, now moving up is Diamond Heart. Sabawani running second, Warship, and moving up now is this Old Heart of Mine, and followed by Wing Heart, Club Havana. Shanghai Silk next in line, then followed by Magandang Dilag and Doña Leoncia, along with Queen Ella. This Old Heart of Mine now, and moving up Sabawani once again, Diamond Heart. This Old Heart of Mine, by the outside is now this Old Heart of Mine and Sabawani, and finally this Old Heart of Mine goes Club Havana, Sabawani, Diamond Heart, Warship, and
At yan nga po ang huling panalo ni This Old Heart of Mine last April 6 na tinalo niya si Sabawani at sila Club Habana 1.26. Yan po si This Old Heart of Mine, isang derimate, at ngayon naman batak na batak po sa laban yan, at lagi lang pong magagaling ang mga nakakalaban ni This Old Heart of Mine kaya hindi makakuha ng panalo.
Says out we have Kankala Queen fast to begin, moving up now on the outside is Calculus, gain in third position beyond compare. Sweet the Money, River South, and Tricky Road is the early trader. Kankala Queen being pressed now by Calculus, 2 lengths, watching in third is gain beyond compare, still in fourth, Sweet the Money, and a long way back to River South and Tricky Road inside the half mile. Now we have Calculus takes the lead by a neck. Down on the inside is Kankala Queen, gain remains in third. And in fourth, beyond compares with the Money, River South, and Tricky Road. With Calculus by a length and a half. And in second, still is a Kankala Queen. Here comes Gain Nawari outside to take second. But Calculus still in front. Gain Nawari outside second, and Kankala Queen. And it's still Calculus, Gain Nawari outside, Kankala Queen. With Calculus back to 2 lengths lead. Gain still in second, and in third comes Kankala Queen as the field turns for Rome. The big horse Calculus by about 2.5 lengths. Gain still in second. Kankala Queen is running by the down to the finish. And that's still Calculus, Gain, Kankala Queen. Entering the finish line, JTZ on Calculus. Second is Gain, Kankala Queen.
At yan nga po yung 1.24 ni Calculus Bayang Karerista. Tinalo niya dito si Laging last June 28, Calculus. At ito naman po yung isa sa mga huling takbo ni Calculus last October 26 dito. Nagtala siya ng 1.41 sa 1,600. At dito sila Moraling at sila Anytime Anywhere ang nakakalaban niya. Medyo magagaling yung mga nakakalaban kasi nito kaya hindi na nagpapanalo. Buhat nung makakalaban si Moraling nito, hindi na nagpanalo to si Calculus, pero bumabandera pa din po ito dito sa grupo na to, Bayang Karerista, Calculus. So yun nga po, yung race number 6 Bayang Karerista, sigurado isang magandang laban bukas yan. At dito sigurado itong si Johnny Danny magpapakitang buti uli yan. At nakita nyo yan kanina, halos hindi pinalo ni JD Huko, tulak-tulak lang konti. Ito naman si Storm Landing 1.24 at magagaling ang nakakalaban nito sila Charge the Castle. At ito naman si Calculus Bayang Karerista, sigurado hindi magpapatalo basta-basta yan. So dito Bayang Karerista, kayo na po ang bahala. Ako po ang pili ko kasi dito numero 4 Johnny Danny at numero 3 na si Calculus. Kayo na po bahala magdagdag dyan sa mga ibang kursunada nyo. May mga panalo din po yung iba dyan. Kung sakasakaling magkakalutsahan po sa harap, baka dumating po itong mga deremate Bayang Karerista. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Sana nakatulong po ito sa inyo itong munting kwentuhan natin dito sa race number 6. At shoutout po sa inyong lahat sa ating mga idol. Shoutout po at maraming salamat sa inyo. Please subscribe, like, and share. Good luck po dito sa araw ng Friday.